How to activate silent mode on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can activate the silent mode on Instagram. You must go into your Instagram app, go into your profile, and then tap the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and there go into settings and privacy. You're gonna open this option, notifications, and there's you can see the second option is the quiet mode. So this is gonna automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus. So you just can activate this and turn this option from this hour perhaps to that time on. You can schedule it, you can open the option and set a different time, so in that way you're not going to receive any notifications from WhatsApp in this time schedule. And that's how you can set up your silent mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching.